Well, here I am in Cuban, Arizona. This is a Santa Fe locomotive number 3759, and it was first built in 1927 and rebuilt and converted to oil in 1941. It's a passenger run between Los Angeles and Kansas City for many years. Made 10 round trips monthly. Average speed was 54.3 miles an hour. How about that? Anyway, it traveled a total of 2,585,600 miles. How about that? Then it made a final trip, steam power, from Los Angeles to Barstow in 1953, and when diesel power replaced steam. Gross weight, etc. So here it is. Here's the caboose. They got some wind going on here, so I'm going to face this way. But here it is. Santa Fe engine 3759. And look at them wheels. It's brakes. Yeah, look at the brakes in that babies, huh? And look at, wow, look at the pads. Amazing, huh? Well, you can go up and look. Got sort of chained off. But man, isn't that something else? Just freaking amazing. Steam power. Peter climb, okay. But look at that. Can you imagine that? I mean, look. These wheels are bigger than taller than I am. I'm 6'3". Steam power. Wow. What a train, huh? I mean, what a locomotive, baby. You hear it right down the sand. But anyway, like I say, look at those things. Baby, that is metal. A lot of weight there. Look at all the rivets, everything else. Springs in there. Pretty damn cool, huh? With the wind noise, I help it. So again, here it is. Santa Fe engine, Cuban, Arizona. Engine 3759. Have a good day, and we'll see you later. Thank you for watching.